Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to turn any website into an app. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So first, open the website you want to turn into an app using Google Chrome on your computer or Android phone. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. Now, scroll down and look for an option called Install App, Add to Home Screen, or Create Shortcut, depending on your device. Click that option. A small window will appear asking you to confirm the app name. You can keep the default name or change it to anything you want. After that, click Install or Create. That's it. The app is now installed like a normal app on your device. You'll notice it gets its own icon, opens in a separate window, and can even be pinned to your taskbar or home screen. This works great for websites you use every day, like YouTube, Gmail, Canva, Discord, or any online tool. On Android phones, the process is very similar. Open Chrome, visit the website, tap the three dots, and choose Add to Home Screen. The app will instantly appear as an app icon on your phone. And that's how you can turn almost any website into an app in just a few clicks. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps.